I started my design thinking project with the observation lab when I was trying to find problems in our community which I could try to change or at least or possibly come up with a solution to the problem. I found two problems. One was in the dining hall with the amount of wasted food that we have and how students tend to take more than they eat, and in the dormitory halls where I think that the process of taking out trash is much more difficult than it needs to be. The trash is out by the curb. It's out. I'm on the third floor, and you have to take it all the way outside to get things done. And a lot of people don't end up taking it all the way outside. They don't end up taking it out at all. And when I was empathizing with the users who were kids among my dorm hall, we could say that it was much more likely that students would have cleaner rooms if disposing trash was simplified, and which would ultimately lead to better study habits and a happier student body. To get through the discovery and empathy phase, I used the AEIOU chart and the observation lab. Those two helped me get all the information I needed for that. And then going on from there, I went to the defining stage where I used the who, how, or what, how, why, and the theme chart. And I use that to show that the major issues are living on the top floor of a dorm with no system of taking out the trash, and we are given small trash cans and need to carry them out to the dumpster every day or so when they fill up, and how might we be able to more effectively, more efficiently get rid of trash. And then when I moved on to the ideate and or brainstorming phase, I used a storyboard, and I also used the how might we questions along with the sketching in our notebooks. And during this phase, I kind of tried to find out the possibility of using a trash chute on each floor that leads to a dumpster, although this might be an unrealistic in implementation and or execution, because you would have to build them, and I doubt that that would be a case. But the other idea I had was leaving a rolling large laundry basket by the elevator so students can throw their trash bags in at night and can be brought down to the dumpster by the elevator in the morning for the elevator that the workers use to go up and down with the vacuums and the things that they use to clean the bathrooms. I thought that was another way that they could get through and bring another effective way of bringing the trash out. Lastly, I have come to the prototyping stage, where I have come up with the idea for a prototype where we could use a large laundry bin basket outside of the elevator doors for that the workers use for cleaning supplies and other things that they might need to use in their day-to-day work. They would leave a laundry basket outside, one of the rolling large ones outside of the elevator, and then kids can put their trash bags in there at night, and then in the morning when the workers come early to clean the bathrooms and whatnot, they can dispose of the trash that way. And with testing, with the situation as far as I know, unless I were to implement this as a thing, I did ask my roommate and a few other friends of mine down the hall, and they said that that was a great idea. Using a laundry basket outside the elevator would be an easy way to efficiently take care of the trash problem that we have here on campus. Whether or not it's a big problem or not, it is besides the fact. It's more so about solving a problem that a lot of people feel that they are challenged with on a day-to-day basis. And lastly, as a reflection, I would say out of some of the things that I really liked with the experience, like after reflecting on the experience that I had gone through with this whole entire process, something that I really enjoyed about it was talking to other people and kind of getting able to understand each other a little bit better, and that we all somewhat face challenges on a day-to-day basis, and that we can all kind of work together collectively to come up with the best ideas on how to make our community better as a whole. And that really connected with me to down to earth. What is something that I learned or that I was surprised by? The fact that people left trash in the common area was very surprising but also very annoying and upsetting. But that's just something that I was surprised by. Something that still confuses me about the whole process. I guess what determines what's worth a new design or a new, like, looking at it as a design opportunity would be something that confuses me. I don't always know when it's something that needs to be evaluated or if it's good the way it is.